fucking tidal wave. You know what happens when you try to stand up to a tidal wave? I'm fighting a surfboard and riding it to the sunset.
Alright guys, just got to downtown West Palm Beach. About to meet Steven for some business development possibilities for both of us. Just wrapped up. Right now about to go meet Ian Jacobs for a pre-production meeting for one of his clients. What up guys? You guys give you a quick tour of the studio. This is Ian's desk. This is new. Back, makeup area. Get better? Short and sweet. There you go. Those are the favorite type of meetings. The ones you get in, get out. Now off to our satellite office over in Palm Beach Tech building.
We should do some stop motion stuff over here.
We really want to know the strategy.
The strategy should be. The strategy's gonna be.
One, eat cereal because start the morning off right.
And you're a serial entrepreneur.
Get it, serial entrepreneur. We're gonna be doing the featured member at each one of these cereal breakfasts. Now, usually featured members for us are people who can walk in straight lines. I am walking backwards in a straight line, so I'm pretty cool. But no one is as cool as this guy right over here. Dylan is gonna be our featured member. Dylan is a cool guy, software developer, but he's also got a tiny house. So he's gonna tell us a little bit about work, a little bit about his home, and a little bit about how he came down here.
All right guys, to find out more, go to palmbeachtech.com or check out their Instagram, which is
Palm Beach Tech.
there you go. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
That was actually one of the first places that I came when I moved down here and I was looking to meet people and network. There I got introduced to Creative Mornings. Through Creative Mornings, I got involved in the community that I'm involved with now, which is something that really helped me elevate my business. All right. About to meet over with Ian again to go over some of our shoots we got for the upcoming week. So like I said, get involved in the community. I met Ian at a networking event. Did a free video for him, and then in return, I actually got a shit ton of work and clients.
So he finally has a project that he thinks would be a good fit for us. They usually go up to New York and source photographers and things like that.
To come down here?
No, they go up there.
I had somebody hit me up yesterday. They're like, hey, I want to do more of this work. I'm like, have you done this before? No. Do it for free. Learn. Get a portfolio. Do the kind of shoot that you want to do, but you need to show them that you can do it first. But the best way to do it is do it for free, do it on your own terms, and then charge your clients for it.
I will back that up. You have to have the work to show before you can go and get paid for it. So if you want to get hired for a job but you don't have any of it in your portfolio, go and do it. And like Rodrigo says, don't take what comes to you, go out and make it. Come up with the concepts in your mind, you know what it is that you want to capture, so put a team together, get the shots done, and then go and take that to market and say, hey, this is what I can offer you, here's my rates.
About to head over to meet with Christian from Pump House Coffee Roasters. We got another video project with things happening with them, so we're gonna go and discuss that. Look at that stud. What up, man? All right.
How's it going?
Chilling, man.
Good to see you.
So overall, pretty good day, super productive. I'm still trying to figure out this whole vlogging thing. Honestly, Casey Neistat and Gary all make it look way too easy. Peter McKinnon too, but like, it takes a lot of charisma and energy, and you have to think about a lot of things, that you want to capture in your production. Especially on top of whatever else you're doing, there's the constant reminder that you're like also recording something that you want to produce. Like I said, just a lot of things that you have to think about and consider while you're shooting. It's something that I'm working on to hopefully make this a better vlog for you guys, be able to give a little bit more insight about the business stuff that I've acquired over the past, and to be able to hopefully bring value to some of you that are possibly trying to start your own business, and if there's something I can help you with, or any questions you might have, I really love to share my knowledge. It's something I'm very passionate about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope this brought a little bit of value to you. But this is what it really takes to want to run your own business. It's a lot of hours of checking in with clients, making sure people are happy, dealing with people that aren't happy. So that's it. Thanks for watching.